Peter is sleeping so peacefully.
He had a big adventure. We still need to pack a little.
Time went so fast.
I'll fold these clothes carefully.
Let's keep things simple. My shoes are still a bit wet.
From the jungle rain.
Is it morning already?
Yes, sweetie.
Are we going home today?
Yes, today.
I feel happy and sad.
That's okay. Did you sleep well?
Very well.
Let's enjoy this quiet moment.
Just us.
These souvenirs are small.
But meaningful.
This leaf bookmark is my favorite.
From the forest.
Can I hold the stone one more time?
Of course.
You learned a lot from it.
I think so. I'll leave it here.
That feels right.
You look very thoughtful.
I'm thinking.
That's good.
Thinking is learning.
I'll remember this trip.
We all will.
Ready to go?
Yes!
Goodbye. Hotel room.
Thank you.
The path feels familiar.
It does.
Listen to the jungle sounds.
Birds again! I want to look back.
Take your time.
The forest looks so green.
So alive.
I'll miss this place.
Me too. I'm right here.
Thanks, Dad!
Hold my hand.
I am.
We move forward now.
Together.
There's the road.
And the bus.
Adventure is ending.
A new chapter starts. Sit comfortably.
Okay. The trees are moving away.
But the memory stays. Look how calm it is.
Very peaceful.
The window looks like a picture.
A moving picture. I feel relaxed.
Me too. Long ride ahead.
I might sleep.
Rest your eyes.
Okay.
He's asleep already.
Sweet boy. This trip was special.
Very special. Home is waiting.
Yes. Yes.
Welcome back.
Put the bags here.
Done.
Everything looks the same.
And safe.
I miss this couch.
Me too.
I'll put the bag down.
Relax now. Long day.
But a good one.
The light feels warm.
Home light.
Comfort feels good.
Very good.
Let's rest a little.
Agreed.
Simple dinner tonight.
Perfect. Plates are ready.
I'm hungry.
Eat slowly.
I will.
No rush.
Okay.
Quiet meals are nice.
Very calming.
I'm thinking again.
About the jungle?
Yes.
I can tell.
What did it teach you?
Respect.
That's a big word.
But important.
Dinner is done.
Thank you.
I want to draw.
Go ahead.
I'll sit here.
Me too.
This is the jungle tree.
Beautiful.
Who was under it?
The stone. But I didn't take it.
That's right.
You showed respect.
Yes.
Nature is not a toy.
It's a gift.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
The night is quiet.
Very calm.
Stars look bright.
Like memories.
The jungle stays in his heart.
Yes. Time for pajamas.
Okay.
Sleep well tonight.
I will.
Good night, explorer.
Good night.
Sweet dreams.
Jungle dreams.
We're right here.
Always.
Lights off.
Okay.
Close your eyes.
Good night.
Sleep peacefully.
I will.